Hey guys, it's your guy AtitaFitness. So today I'm going to take you to the trails of Colorado. I am in Boulder. So I'm going to ride my bike around here, try to explore some of the trails. Biking feels good outside. You know, I'm used to riding the bike outside. I used to ride the bike when I was in high school. But it feels pretty good now that my legs are more strong. I can handle the hills, the heat, the elevation in Boulder, and also like I know the rules. You know, when you're riding the bike, you have to be careful. It's like driving. You keep right, make sure that the other person is safe. But the one thing that I've realized is the people are biking here, especially here in Boulder, who have electric bikes, they tend to come with high speed, even on the corners. So I have to slow down and make sure that it's safe for me to cross. Otherwise, I'm having a great time. I feel like my legs are strong to go, but my heartbeat is so high because of the elevation. People are really nice, saying hi, but something new to explore. So just keep it here, ride with me, keep watching the whole video. I am with my friend, so I'm going to exchange the camera so that they will be able to film me too. So let's go. This is amazing. It feels really good. The weather is nice. It is 75 degrees. When you're riding, the breeze is just going past you and it feels really, really good. Let's go, guys. Actually, now I feel like the bike is going to be something that I enjoy the most. As much as we want to have cars and all that, having the bike to ride outside, and I wish like more roads were made to be more like biking, riding friendly, because in Medford, when I see someone riding a bike, so guys, I'm talking about Medford, Oregon, when I see someone riding a bike, I just know that it's either they are homeless, especially if they are riding on the roads, on the streets. Either they are homeless or they have, like, you know, the DUI or something, because a lot of people don't ride bikes there. Like, it's mostly these guys who have like a lot of stuff on top of their bikes. And that's what I see all the time. I just wish that they encouraged people to ride their bikes, to go outside, especially on a weekend. Or maybe it's the best time for me to start an outdoor riding club, so that we can meet and ride and encourage more people, so that even the city government will start working on like paving the roads for the bikers. Do we call them bikers or just riders? Confusing, motorcycles and bicycles. But let's go. We're going to go under the bridge again. I did yesterday, but today I decided to film so that you guys can get to see what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm going to switch the camera to film towards where I'm going to. Guys, I'm done biking and my GoPro is turning off. I think the battery is low, so let me go to the house. But this was really good. Had so much fun. That's the electric bike. That's crazy. Yeah. See, where else will you find this kind of underground roads for the riders? But overall experience, awesome. I will come back again and again. And if you are in Boulder, you should have a bicycle. Otherwise, how can you see the city without having a bicycle? Like, look at this. Awesome. And people are so happy. Like, I belong in this kind of environment. I see myself here. So let's go. Another bridge coming up. There's a creek of water where you're riding. It's very beautiful. This feels like home for me for sure. Colorado, out of 10, this is a 10. Have some hills which are intense. Look at the trees, guys. The only thing, some few homeless people, which is something that I see everywhere.